This channel does not promote or promotion any illegal activities.
Every season I'm ballin'. Brody walk down like he Kimbo. He hopping out the little shots out the window. I'm from the 2 drippin' sound like Lorenzo. Little nigga Glock when he make him look tenfold. We posted up on the back strip, flipping that work. You do semis and front flip. We put your bro on the run list. Soon as that work come in, the touchdown, I'ma punt it. It's gone.
We out here at Try Tuesday. No one-way Corey once again. What is new? That boy fell. Damn.
Get to the side, get to the side. Get to the side.
Yeah. That boy is shot out. Imagine you crash and the first thing you say is, I'm Batman? That's different. Okay, Dom. Oh. That boy outside zapping. Oh man, he's going fast. Bipster! Ya Allah!
I heard you, dog.
New York Deli? I bet they don't have chopped cheeses, man. When we get to the hill, I'm gonna start working. But for now, I'm gonna just chill. I mean, hey, let me wheelie that. I bitchin'. I was gonna try to touch. You a nut, you got no helmet.
Stephan, like, let me get a hit.
Yeah, but I don't got a helmet. Like.
Full face only. Hopefully.
Let's go on the bridge.
Howdy. You late to your own shit again. That's your first time here. How the fuck you know when I'm late?